Hello, my name is Yunus. This is Joaquin.
Hello, my name is Joaquin.
This is Tariq.
Hello, my name is Tariq. This is Belgium flag. Monument.
This is one of the monuments important of Brussels, the capital of Belgium.
King family. The children of the Prince Emmanuel and the Prince Eleanor. The King and the Queen. This is the King of Belgium. His name is Alberto II, and he was born in Brussels in 6th of June in 1934. And this is the King, the Queen. His name is Paola, and he was born in Forte dei Marmi, Italy, in 11th of September in 1937. Where is Belgium?
Belgium is in Europe, between France and Germany. In Belgium, between France and Germany.
Traditional dish of Belgium. These are the traditional dishes of Belgium. Water, sorry. Authors: Joaquin, Tariq,
Yunus.
Bye bye.
Bye.